What's up, everyone? Brandon here. Today we're diving into 5 of the best compact PCs you can buy in 2024. Forget those giant RGB-lit towers. These are small, powerful machines that deliver a full desktop experience without hogging your desk. The compact PC market is more competitive than ever, with options for every need and budget. We'll break down what makes each one great, who they're for, and the key trade-offs you need to know. From design and performance to ports and price, we'll cover it all. Ready to find your next tiny powerhouse? Here are the top 5 compact PCs of 2024. First up, the Apple Mac Mini M4, the go-to compact desktop for many. Apple's M-series chips are all about efficiency and power, making the Mac Mini silent for everyday tasks and shockingly fast for creative work. Video editing, photo work, even some music production, this little box can handle it. The real magic, though, is the Apple ecosystem. If you're already using an iPhone, iPad or MacBook, the integration is seamless. Features like handoff, AirDrop and universal control make your workflow effortless. The build? Classic Apple. A solid block of aluminum that looks and feels premium on any desk. But there are real downsides. Upgradability is non-existent. RAM and storage are soldered. So what you buy is what you're stuck with. Apple's upgrade pricing is steep, so you'll need to decide upfront how much memory and storage you'll need. Port selection is just okay. Expect a couple of Thunderbolt 4 ports, USB-A, HDMI and Ethernet. But you'll probably need a hub if you have lots of peripherals. And while macOS is a dream for some, it's a deal breaker for others, especially if you need Windows-only software or want to game. Mac gaming is improving, but it's still far behind Windows. So who's it for? If you want a quiet, powerful, and beautifully integrated desktop and you're already in the Apple ecosystem, it's hard to beat. It's perfect for creatives and anyone who wants a plug-and-play experience. But if you're a tinkerer, gamer, or need to upgrade over time, look elsewhere. The Mac Mini M4 is a premium polished compact PC, but you pay for that polish. It's not for everyone, but for the right user, it's fantastic. Just be ready to live with its limitations. If you value seamless experience and design, this is your pick. If you want flexibility or the best value, keep watching. The Mac Mini M4 sets the bar for user experience, but not for upgradability or gaming. It's a statement piece for your desk and your workflow. But remember, you're buying into Apple's world, for better or worse. If that sounds like you, the Mac Mini M4 is a top contender. Otherwise, there are plenty of other options on this list. Next, the Minisforum HX100G, a compact PC for those who want real power in a tiny box. This machine packs an AMD Ryzen 9 CPU and a dedicated Radeon RX 7600M XT GPU, making it a legit gaming and productivity beast. It handles 1080p and 1440p gaming, video rendering, 3D modeling and more, performance that rivals mid-range gaming laptops, but in a much smaller package. Upgradability is a big win here. You can swap RAM and SSDs easily, unlike the Mac Mini. The port selection is generous: USB 4, USB-A, Type-C, dual display outputs and 2.5 GB Ethernet, so you can connect all your gear without extra hubs. But with great power comes fan noise. Push this system hard and you'll hear it working. The cooling system keeps things running, but it's not silent and the chassis can get warm. There's also a chunky external power brick to deal with, which adds to your setup's footprint. Minisforum is respected among enthusiasts, but it doesn't have the global support of bigger brands. So keep that in mind for long-term reliability. The HX100G is for gamers, creators and power users who want desktop-class performance in a portable form. If you need silence or crave brand name support, this isn't your pick. But if you want raw power, upgradability and lots of ports, it's a standout. It's a mini PC that doesn't compromise on performance. Just be ready for some fan noise and a less polished experience. For those who want the most power per cubic inch, the HX100G is hard to beat. It's not for everyone, but for the right user, it's a game changer. If you want a tiny gaming or creative workstation, this is your machine. Now for the budget champ, the Beelink U59. This mini PC is all about value, often under $200 with Windows 11 Pro pre-installed. It's perfect for students, media streaming, light office work, or as a secondary PC. The U59 is tiny. Mount it behind your monitor and it disappears. It's silent thanks to a low-power Intel Celeron chip, making it ideal for quiet spaces. But performance is basic. It's fine for web browsing, word processing, and streaming, but struggles with multitasking, photo editing, or anything demanding. Build quality is functional, not fancy. Plastic, lightweight, but gets the job done. Ports are decent for the price. USB 3.0, dual HDMI, but don't expect Thunderbolt or high-speed options. This is not a machine for power users, gamers, or creatives. It's for anyone who needs a simple, affordable computer for basic tasks. Great for digital signage, a home media server, or a first PC for kids. If you expect more than web and office apps, you'll be frustrated. But for the price, it's hard to beat. The U59 is all about knowing what you need and not paying for what you don't. It's a brilliant little machine for the right person. Just don't expect miracles at this price point. If you want the lowest cost, no fuss PC, this is it. For anything more, look higher up the list. Meet the Lenovo Idea Center Mini, the practical, reliable choice from a trusted brand. Its standout feature is design, a vertical tool-free chassis that opens with a button for easy upgrades. The fabric-topped look blends into any home or office, and the build quality is solid. Inside you'll find modern Intel Core i5 or i7 chips. Fast enough for multitasking, office work, and 4K media. It's a great all-rounder, faster than budget options, and perfect for work or home. Buying Lenovo means solid warranty, support, and software polish. Peace of mind for many buyers. Downsides, you pay a bit more for the brand and design, and you can find similar specs for less from smaller brands. Integrated graphics mean no serious gaming. This is strictly for productivity and media. Upgrades are easy for RAM and SSD, but you can't add a dedicated GPU or high-wattage CPU. The internal power supply keeps things tidy, but the fan is always on. Quiet but not silent. The Idea Center Mini is for those who want a stylish, reliable, and easy-to-use compact PC. It's perfect for a home office or family room, not for bargain hunters or gamers, but ideal for anyone who values design, support, and ease of use. It's a polished step up from budget models without the noise or niche focus of high-performance options. If you want a dependable, attractive mini PC from a big name, this is it. It's not the cheapest, but it's one of the most user-friendly. For most people, it's the sensible middle ground. If you want a worry-free, stylish desktop, the Idea Center Mini delivers. Just don't expect gaming or deep customization. The Asus NUC 14 Pro carries on the legacy of Intel's iconic NUC line. Now with Asus at the helm. This is the Pro's mini PC built for 24/7 reliability with features like Intel vPro for remote management. It's a favorite for IT departments, digital signage, and anyone needing rock-solid uptime. Performance is top tier with the latest Intel Core Ultra chips, great for multitasking, creative work, and even some light gaming. The new NPU accelerates AI tasks, and integrated ARC graphics are a big step up. You can drive multiple 4K displays and choose between slim or tall chassis for extra storage. The NUC 14 Pro is a bare-bones kit. Bring your own RAM, SSD, and OS, giving you total control over your build. That flexibility is a dream for enthusiasts and IT pros. But it's not plug and play. You'll need to install components and set up your OS. The price is premium, and by the time you add memory, storage, and Windows, it can cost more than a Mac Mini. Availability is also more limited. These are often sold through specialty retailers. The NUC 14 Pro is for prosumers, tinkerers, and anyone who needs enterprise features and reliability, not for casual users or bargain hunters. If you want the most versatile, configurable, and professional-grade mini PC, this is it. It's the king of DIY compact PCs. But you have to be willing to pay and to build it yourself. For those who want total control and top-tier reliability, the NUC 14 Pro stands alone. If you just want a simple, ready-to-go PC, look elsewhere. But for power users, it's the gold standard. There you have it, 5 unique takes on the compact PC for 2024. From the budget-friendly B-Link U59 to the powerhouse Minisforum HX100G, there's something for everyone. The Mac Mini M4 is all about seamless experience. The Lenovo Idea Center Mini nails reliability and design, and the Asus NUC 14 Pro is the ultimate for pros and tinkerers. Your best pick depends on your needs: silent operation, gaming, upgradability, or price. Which one would you choose? Or did we miss your favorite? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I read them all. Thanks for watching. Like, Subscribe and stay tuned for more deep dives into the best tech. See you in the next one.